everyone. So I'm Paul and I'm going to make sticky honey chicken, and I'm joined with Shawnee Mack, Fintan Fitz and Mary Mack as well. So first of all, I've cut the chicken up into strips, or you can cut them into chunks, and then I'm going to put it in some egg and then in flour, and then leave it aside then for frying. Okay? First of all, you have to wash your hands. So I've already done that, and now I will start with the chicken. So I'll just show you there, that's the flour in one bowl and the egg in the other. So I added flour with just some paprika and chili powder for a bit of flavour. So you grab the chicken and just dip it in the egg and then put it in the flour, and with the other hand use the flour then to coat the chicken. Just save your hands getting all sticky with the flour. So put that on the plate here. So you do that for all your chicken in the egg, swivel around, pop it in, and coat it then with the flour. So after coating the chicken, just wash your hands because it's raw meat and you don't want to mix raw meat with touching other stuff. So once you have that done, which I already done, just get the chicken here and get now the tongs here just to put the chicken in. So have the pan heated up already and just put a bit of olive oil on it. You can put about 2 teaspoons on it, it'll do fine. Just to heat it up so that it's nice and warm for the chicken, and then just add in the chicken.
Would you eat this the day of a game, Paul?
Yeah, I would eat it on a day of a game, but I would eat it about maybe 3 hours beforehand. If it was an evening game, it's about 7 o'clock, then I'd eat it at like maybe 3 of that, so that you're all fueled up. So the chicken here is cooking nicely. So I've just put on some broccoli as well into the steamer here. Just about a handful of broccoli just to get your veg in as well. And also it's easier to eat if you don't really like it that much. The honey sauce makes it sweeter, so you can eat it then. You can just take a piece out, put it on the plate, cut it up there. You can see it's like nice and white. And then, so I've already cut up some onions and peppers and just a bit of garlic here. So we're just going to throw them on and let them cook for a few minutes. So while they're cooking then, you can just get the sauce ready. This is it here. So all I have in this is some honey, about 100 grams of honey. There's 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and then I put some ketchup in, and then a spoon of brown sugar, just to make it nice and sweet. So after you have the veg on for about a few minutes, you kind of hear them sizzling. You just pour this on here. And then you can just mix that about and then leave it for about maybe 5 minutes as well. So just so that the sauce comes really bubbly and kind of boiling. And then we'll add in the chicken. And then we're nearly done. All you have to do is put the rice in the microwave. So I'm just using the packet rice you put in the microwave because it's the easiest. And you just put it in for 2 minutes and it's done then.
Sounds really nice. I can't wait to try this.
Yeah, it's fair play, man. It's very, very good.
It is actually lovely. I got it off the Body Coach on Instagram.
Oh yeah. Lovely. Yeah.
So, Paul, serious question now. Which do you prefer, football or hurling?
Oh, that's a tough one now. I have to go with the small ball, I think. Definitely.
Oh,
faster game.
True third.
Yeah.
So now I'm just going to put the rice in the microwave. So I got this Mexican rice, just because it's a bit more flavour and a bit spicy as well. You pop them into the microwave for 2 minutes. Handier than having to boil rice as well. So while the rice is doing, cooking in the microwave, you can see here, it's nice and hot here for the veg. Now I'm going to add in the chicken. And just mix it around then for another 2 minutes until the rice is done, nicely coated, and then we can plate up. The broccoli is nearly done as well. So now that the rice is done, you can just take it out. It can be hot, so just grab the corners and we'll put it onto a plate here. And then just get a scoop. You can scoop out the chicken. Then the broccoli is done as well. So we can just pop this. I pop some sesame seeds on it.
Oh, lovely.
Make it look the part.
Oh yeah. He's pulling out all the stops.
Yeah.
And then that's it done, complete.